The rise of artificial intelligence isn't just changing the way we work, it's rewriting the rulebook entirely. Some jobs that seemed safe just a few years ago are now standing on shaky ground. From customer service to creative fields, AI is advancing faster than most people realize, and millions of workers could be replaced sooner than they think. Today, we're breaking down which jobs are most at risk and what you can do to stay ahead before it's too late. I'm sharing with you guys today 10 jobs that are severely at risk to being replaced completely and totally by AI, by artificial intelligence. And they already estimate about 1 million jobs this year in 2025 alone has already been replaced by AI. And that number is only going to go increasingly higher and higher year over year. So let's start with the number one position that's going to be replaced by AI is data entry clerks. AI can process and input massive amounts of data faster and with zero typing errors. OCR, optical character recognition, and NLP, natural language processing, automate form and document entry. AI is already taking this industry over. Cloud-based automation tools already integrate directly with databases, eliminating the need for any kind of manual input. And number two, this might be a little more controversial, is telemarketers. AI voice bots and chatbots can make personalized sales calls 24/7. I don't know if you've ever grabbed your phone and used ChatGPT and had it speak to you and use the voice icon where you talk back and forth with it. It sounds so real, even compared to just a year ago. It is so real, you could definitely mistake it as a person. Okay, another reason why telemarketers are going to be replaced by AI. Machine learning models can adapt scripts in real time for better conversation rates. Consumers prefer non-human interactions for basic offers and inquiries. Those are three reasons why telemarketers are going to be completely replaced by AI. Let's go to number three, customer service representatives. This one is probably the most obvious on the list, but AI chatbots already handle about 80 to 90% of routine inquiries instantly. Voice AI systems like GPT-powered assistants simulate natural conversations. Companies save costs by reducing staffing for call centers. It's going to keep their profit margins even better and higher than they are using artificial intelligence. Number four, this is one that's already slowly but surely being taken away with self-checkout scans, self-services, and that's retail cashiers. Now, I can tell you a story the other day that we went down to the gas station right down the road from our house, and we just put the items on top of the counter, and they had some kind of scanning system where AI scanned it all, input what our total bill was, slide our card in, and pay without anyone checking us out, any person scanning our items. AI took care of it like that. And that's exactly why retail cashiers are being replaced left and right. And it's only going to get worse as AI advances and it gets launched on a mass scale. Self-checkout kiosks and AI vision systems like Amazon Go eliminate the need for manual scanning. Digital payments and mobile checkout apps are becoming the standard. Every time you go to Sam's Club, you can scan and go and you're out of there. Walmart Plus, scan your groceries, all your items, and go and you're out of there. AI inventory systems automatically track sales and stock, minimizing human oversight. Now, I used to be a cashier at a grocery store, and there was very demanding on how many customers per hour and how many items per minute you would scan. And that was all overseen by a supervisor, just trying to motivate us to do more, get higher and higher sales, to go through more and more customers, to scan items quicker and quicker and quicker. Well, AI, they're not paying anything. They're paying the cost of the initial cost of the software. Maybe there's like a monthly maintenance for it, right? But that's totally going to create more of a profit line for these big companies to get rid of the retail cashiers and to go straightly to robotics and AI. Okay, and number five is kind of one of the more obvious ones. That's proofreaders and copy editors. AI tools, even like just using ChatGPT, now correct grammar. It also is getting so advanced. Every single time it updates, we're on ChatGPT version 5, I believe. It's correcting grammar in tone and style with high accuracy. You can take a bunch of PDF uploads, Microsoft Word documents that you have typed yourself, upload it onto ChatGPT, and it'll literally learn your writing style and recreate different documents that you need written out in your tone, in your style. It's crazy the technology that's going on with this thing. Okay, machine learning models are trained on billions of sentences, surpassing average human editing consistency. AI can adapt to specific brand or publication guidelines. You can input how you want it to be done, what you want your pages to be like, how you want your chapters broken down. There's no more need for proofreaders and copy editors. I believe that's a job right now that's totally eliminated due to AI. Okay, number 6, we're seeing this slowly but surely happen as well. Fast food workers. How many times have you gone to the McDonald's and they prefer you to check out on the kiosk instead of going to the cashier in order to make your transaction or order your food? It's happening quicker and quicker and quicker, especially like states like California where the minimum wage is $20 an hour, I think, for fast food workers. I mean, it's absolutely insane. And of course, these companies are going to look elsewhere for lower costs of labor, right? That's the whole big drive with AI and automation. Robotics and AI-controlled kitchen systems automate cooking and assembly. Flippy the burger robot, right? Self-service ordering kiosks reduce front counter staff. We touched on that. Predictive analytics manage inventory and demand more efficiently than humans. There's going to be less error with AI and robotics automation compared to the human element, right? Human error. Okay, number 7, this one might be a little controversial as well, but paralegals and legal assistants. AI can scan and analyze thousands of legal documents in seconds. Legal research bots find case precedents faster and more accurately. Document drafting is increasingly automated using natural language generation, just like we touched on earlier. It's learning our style and the way we need things done. Number 8 may be 5 years away. This may take until 2030 to be replaced, but that's truck drivers. Autonomous vehicles are already completing long-haul freight tests safely, okay? Just undergoing, once they get past all the safety regulations, we're going to see that a lot more in long-haul truck driving. AI-driven logistics reduce human fatigue and scheduling inefficiencies. Self-driving fleets dramatically lower labor and insurance costs for transport companies. And that second point, obviously everyone knows the lower labor costs, but the lower insurance costs. You've seen your car payments, your car insurance payments. You've seen your housing payments for insurance. It's going through the roof everywhere, no matter what state you're living in. Everyone is being affected by this. Number 9, we've seen Amazon recently in an article talk about this. Warehouse workers. Amazon is working to lay off over 600,000 employees. And by layoff, I mean replace, using robotics. And we're already seeing that more and more. You think about it, this is October, November 2025. I mean, we're talking about a year and a month, a year and 2 months until we hit 2027 and we could see 600,000 workers. And then what are they supposed to do? What are they supposed to go to for work after that? That's going to create more people applying for one job. That's when we're going to start seeing 500 applications for every single job that's posted on the internet. Mark my words, you will see that as we have more and more of this AI industrial revolution. AI-powered robots now pick, pack, and move goods with precision. Automated sorting systems and drones reduce manual labor requirements. We're going to see that even with UPS drivers, FedEx drivers, USPS workers, usually when it comes to government, so they're kind of last on adapting and adopting new technology, but definitely those FedEx, UPS drivers, watch out. Drones are coming to replace your job. Predictive inventory algorithms minimize human involvement in tracking and restocking. Okay, and last but not least, this may be one of the most obvious ones, journalists and routine reporting, okay? I'm not talking about the boots on the ground when there's a war going on, journalism reporting. I don't think anything can replace something like that, but just your day-to-day journalism. Yeah, those news articles you read online, I bet you a lot of times they're written with ChatGPT. Okay, AI writing tools can instantly generate news briefs and sports summaries. Natural language generation is used by outlets like Bloomberg and Reuters already. Human journalists are being redirected to analysis and investigative roles instead of routine updates. The truth is, AI isn't coming, it's already here. And the people who ignore it are the ones who are most likely to get left behind. So if your job made the list today, don't panic, pivot, learn new skills, experiment with AI tools, and find ways to use technology instead of being replaced by it. Because the future doesn't belong to those who fear change, it belongs to those who adopt. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with a job that you think AI will replace next, and let's talk about it.